Just put some fix-a-flat in the old hand cart, using a little motor to get some friction action going, and keep that sucker spinning for a while. Seems to be working nicely. Not got enough pressure against the tread to hurt the tire. I think I'll just let that run for a few minutes, and I put in a can of fix-a-flat. I know, I should have pulled the tube out and patched it, but I thought I'd give this a try. I mean, that's what that stuff's for. Alright. We'll see how that does. See ya.